All right, everybody, we're out here Saturday afternoon, Randleman, North Carolina. We're here for a local car cruise. Said this is the first time in 3 years, right? 3 years? 3 years that this car show has finally come back to the downtown here. A lot of noise back here. So this show, like I said, there are at least, I'm gonna say 150 to 200 cars and classic trucks out here. Everybody's lined up along the street sides and everything. It is a great turnout for this afternoon. So if you're out in the Randleman, North Carolina area and you're looking for a local car meet, car cruise, check your local pages because it's out there. It's going to be a good time. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a walk around of what we see out here. There's a lot of cool cars and trucks. So this 56 Chevy right here though, this thing is stout. Pardon all the background music, there's a lot going on, but just to give you guys a quick look around, there's all kinds. There's a local Randleman tow truck for out here. Like I said, this car cruise, it's great, man. The downtown, everybody's just cruising the strip. You got all kinds of cars everywhere. You got classic cars, you got modern cars, you got trucks, all kinds of cool stuff out here. Like so much, like, look at this right here. Terrain of this thing is, whew, it looks good, super nice. Seen so many classic cars out here. They range from anything, man, from anything. It's great. Take a look at this old C10 short bed step side with the old patina. Woo, that looks good. See, that's when you got a right patina. That looks, oh, it looks good.
I like it.
I like it. Oh, it looks good. Little sexy black Mustang. There's all kinds of cars. Look at this long bed. Beautiful, beautiful. See? Big lifted trucks too. If you need any wrecker services, they're here for the heavy rescue. Well, you got all kinds of vendors out here too. There's a lot of food vendors. You got local spots. Got some pretty gnarly looking Mustangs over there. This car show it's great, man. Nothing overruns anything. You've got classic muscle cars. You got your 80s cars. Tell me when you've seen the last time. Comment down there if you've seen one of these two-door style GM Oldsmobiles out there like that. You don't see them, man. But it's great to see all the people out here. Everybody's having a great time. This is a wonderful car show. So glad we came out. I said, first time in 3 years they ran this show again. So it's great to see the community support in it. This 50 Chevy truck, 3100. Looks sharp. But then you got right here, old school hot rod. I love it. Man, them gnarly. Look at them big old tires. Big old tires. The Thunderbird. That old tag it's got too. Just wants a convertible. We'll get one. S10 was really nice too. Super clean V8 swap. Really impressed now this one came out. It looks really clean. Just firewall looks nice. Everything looks good. Oh yeah. Couple Camaros. There you go. G-body station wagon. Yeah, it looks good. Gotta clean that nice V8. Oh wow. Nice clean factory manifolds. Got that AC kicking. Looks good. I like these. You don't see these very often. Not in the wagons. Very nice. Super cool. I'll take a look at this one here. Nice Ford sitting here in the bank lane. Super clean. Nice yellow. Got over here. There's a lot of cars. Look at this one, Pontiac Le Mans. 64, 65 style. Looks pretty. All original styling too. I like it. When you leave them like that, they look good. Looks like everybody's starting to wind down as we get toward the later part of the afternoon. Where's that guy's boot truck? There's a couple of some nice GM 80s and that thing is huge. Look at that Ford. Man, big old car. Couldn't even tell you what this is. If you guys know what it is though, go ahead and comment down and let me know. I know it's a big two-door Ford. Thing ought to be a beast on the road. You know, you don't see these very often. 1967 Olds 442. Set up on a nice little Pro Touring set of US Riddler wheels. Oh yeah, looks good. Super sharp, super sharp. So we come around this corner to see this gnarly Corvette, but instead, I'm impressed by the sound of that sick Chevelle. That thing sounds tough. Left, come on. That looks good. This Vet though, don't get me wrong, she looks bad. Definitely sets up right. But that Chevelle, oh yeah, perfect. Woo! Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He definitely got the cutouts open. This Corvette though, look at it. There's no exhaust anywhere. No side pipes, something you don't see on this. Big old meats. Big old meats. Oh yeah. I'm looking at this Oldsmobile though. There's all kinds. This is a cool little downtown. So we got an old shop around here. For rent. Next business destination. Call this number right here. We're gonna make our way across the street though, get that the remote lock. I see a lot of colors, a lot of cool cars. Let's make our way without getting hit. Go, 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 go. Hey, look. It's Richard Petty. Look at that. That's awesome. NASCAR fans, right here. Some will argue the greatest NASCAR racer, maybe next to Dale Earnhardt. You pick your poison. A couple of modern cars here. What we got? Ooh, C8 Vets. They are really sharp cars. This is the really cool part. Like you can walk this whole little downtown. There's a lot of this. What's the event running? 1 to 6. 1 to 6. So a few hours, you can bring your old car. This old Fairlane, big old pro street setup. Hey, wait, actually, that's like the same style as what we got. But to see, that's a Fairlane XL. We've got a we got a 500 custom. So same style front lights, but all is that Firebird we see coming into. And the C10. Looks good. That's definitely a bright color. It matches very well. I like it. I like it. Looks good. Oh yeah. Got all the chrome. Made it to the other side of the street. Again, like the cool part is you're walking the whole downtown strip here. You got cars passing through regular, and then you got some old classic cars everywhere. This truck looks good. Oh yeah. This sounds nasty. Sounds tough. Woo. You can smell the race gas. So this car show, like I said, right there, Summers Auto Sales, give you guys a little shout out. These guys are a big contributor to what's going on with this show in this local area, Randleman, and we're grateful for them to be able to put on this kind of show and have all these people out here. It's awesome. You got so many cars, you got a live DJ, all kinds of food everywhere. This is like by far one of the coolest car cruises I've seen in quite a while. There's a lot of them out here in these small towns in North Carolina, so this Camaro looks nasty. 67, just, oh, it's tough. Got a couple old schools like way back there, I've noticed, up for sale. We're here in this old 60s truck. It sounds tough. Stick shift too. Sounds good. A lot of people, man. This is awesome. Great turnout. Hot dog vendor back there. Your lunch was amazing, by the way. We enjoyed your hot dogs. Thank you for much. There's your downtown strip, starting in. Oh yeah. Oh, this is awesome. Love these 67 to 72s. I'll have one in the fleet one day. 69 RS. Hot little looking car too. And there we are. Look, man, look at that. Little 84 square body. Looks good. Hey, those stickers. You know Mike, right? Comment down below if you want to see those stickers up. We'll get you guys some. We're gonna start making up some merch for everybody. So, but again, we had an amazing time out here. Great turnout here at Randleman, North Carolina. Hope to see the show continue on. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Get a drive up out of here. Continue on with the day.